Alrighty, YouTube, what is up? Mikey back here again. Hope you guys are doing good today. So today's video, I'm gonna take you guys to school. Show you guys me welding and stuff, and what I do at school. And then at 12, got a gym session with Julian. It's gonna be a little bit of a different type of workout. It's not gonna be your average. You know what I'm saying? 4 sets of 12 for biceps, curls, 4 sets of what's it called? 4 sets of squats, 12 or something. It's gonna be a little bit of different workout. I forgot what program it is, but when I meet up with Drew, we'll touch up a little bit on it then. But let's get to school.
Gripping, I'ma squeeze it till it pop. You know I get around, I get your pants down and then I rock.
There we go. Shaking. Alrighty, y'all. So right now I'm heading to class. Talk to y'all when we get there. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. This is my first time MIG welding, so we'll see how it goes. But I'm just gonna be practicing right now. Alrighty, y'all. So that was school. Just came in for a little bit today. Just a little extra practice and stuff. Didn't get my equipment today. I'm gonna get it on Saturday, I think, if I'm not mistaken. That's what my teacher was telling me. But yeah, y'all. I'm gonna catch you guys when I go to the gym and stuff with Julian. It's gonna be an exciting one because, like I said, it's gonna be a little bit of a different split. But yeah, see y'all in action. So right now, y'all, we're about to go pick up the cameraman, Mike. We're about to get to the gym and get that work.
What's up, man? How are you?
Howdy.
Okay, have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Alright, y'all, so we're about to get into the workout. It's about time to get into the grub.
How many? Get as many. This is just one upset. The next day we're gonna go heavy as fuck. So right here, stimulate the muscles that you wanna, that you wanna use. Now use the core, everything strong. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. All right. Gotta get strong.
You know what it is, G.
Make sure that is nice and right.
Hell yeah. Let's get it.
Keep them all down. Come on, bro. Smack that shit up, all that shit up, all that shit up, all that shit up. Back up. There you go, come on. Push, push, push.
Bag of hay. Bag of hay. Bag of hay. Beat.
Oh, wow.
Damn.
Push. Yeah, so now we're gonna finish up with the weighted pull-up. Oh my gosh, this dude's so jacked. What are we about to do right now, Mike?
Go home, I guess. Oh, you going to
This
work?
man, no. We're about to do some math right now.
What the hell?
This man, bro, going home. You know, we don't finish the workouts early. Yep. Well,
That's the muscle blood.
yeah, yeah. So that was our session. What is that program?
To be announced.
I don't know, man, but it was not no regular, you know what I'm saying, my regular workouts, but it was decent. It was a good explosive workout. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed.
Yeah,
It was early in the morning. I was just at school. We came and killed it in the afternoon. Same. So, shout out to our cameraman, man. Much love to this dude. Getting his good clips and stuff. Much more to come. You know what I'm saying? See ya. Oh my gosh, this dude's so jacked.